watch out, watch out. You wanna move out the way now? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. So today we're gonna be going to a truck meet, but we're gonna be going in the diesel cuz the red one is not quite done yet. My dad's working on that truck back there, but yeah. This one's not drivable yet. We're still missing a couple things. But shit is good, yo. We took off the LSA cover because we still gotta do some things to it so it can fit right, but look at it. Sheesh. Yo, so we're getting cold quick, but we are ready to go. Just get ready to go. One thing I hate about this truck is when I have to get on this. Open it. I gotta get on this. So supposedly Danny's gonna meet us there. So let's see if he goes. He usually never goes to meets, but I told him, you know, let's start going out. Show off your truck and then just have fun there, see how it goes. So let's go. Oh yeah, we pulled up. We got Danny right there. Look at that reflective decal, bro. Yeah. What is it? Yeah. My brother got some bright ass lights, but I'm surprised Danny's here. Danny never comes out here to meet, huh?
Never out here, but
damn, oh shit, we got people here. Hey bro, they let you out today?
Huh?
They let you out today?
For a little bit.
For a little bit. All of a sudden, Psycho Bunny. What is that, video, bro?
Small.
Damn, I don't know, but I think Danny found some new friends, bro. Got nothing but Fords on this side. Oh, look at that plate though, my boy. Oh yeah. And that carbon fiber look nice. Sheesh. Yo, these Fords are fucking beautiful. What do you say? What?
They do it like regular here.
It's regular here, huh? That's what I'm thinking, because it's pretty packed for... Well, the guy's always tagging us, no?
Yeah.
God, that's all. Look, I think this one's all-wheel drive, bro. Oh, he has a big-ass tire in the front. Nah, huh? Nah, I don't know, bro. I don't know about Fords. Bro, get out the way, please. Big clouds only. That trucking around. Bro, there's a lot of fucking trucks here. You said they're selling food over there, no?
More Fords.
Bro, I think we came to the wrong meet over here. What? High key, high key. Oh, look at this one right here. What this? Oh, yeah, boy. Hey, turn on the flash for me, my boy. Oh, that's nice right there. Raise him, Danny.
David, he showed us that
that should look mean as fuck like that. A la verga, Danny. You my boy got fans.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man.
How does it feel to be famous? You want a hot dog? Is that the one by the house, Chris? That taco? I don't know. That taco hard as fuck. I don't know. This shit hack, bro. We can start coming out here once in a while, no? You want a hot dog? You want a hot dog?
Mexico streets.
Oh, yeah. Selling shit here. I need your clout.
That's a little homie. I got you, bro.
For sure. I need it, bro. La chona. Bruno got a mustache, bro. God damn. My shit's slow. What happened? I don't know what that said. Damn, that felt like the bomb, bro. What it do? Dile, güey, dile, güey, dile. ¡Ey! ¡Ey! Fuck you, wallah. Dale, dale, dale. ¡Échale agua! ¡Échale agua! van a matar a la verga. Hey, bro, be careful. I don't want you to get hit.
He's the one that doesn't do nothing, but I'm the one who's gonna get pulled over once.
Sounds about right. Try that, Danny.
Huh?
Try that. What the guy did. My boy went all around, came back. That guy?
Yeah.
Everybody's over there now, my boy. God, that's a whole lot of walking, my boy. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo andamos? Chilling. Sir. ¿Ya no want a souvenir?
Porque está carito.
Got that body. Which is again? Also, this is where it belongs.
Hey, just put it in the back. It's better. Hey, ask him. ¿A qué te dedicas?
¿A quién? ¿A ese güey?
Hey, right now.
Hey, my boy, ¿a qué te dedicas? Nada. Me puso nervioso.
Hey, we definitely gonna do the quick release. Hey, we said those were chill meat. And look at
Hey,
this
what?
shit.
That is shit crazy. Over here, look. Over there. That's a long ass walk once again. It's an ODS. Valieron verga los hot dogs. Hey, what did it do? What did it? We're about to get a hot dog, ya no hay? Yeah, I know. shit is empty now. Where you at? Oh. Fucking get it cracking right here, my boy. Daddy, no te pierdas, güey.
All it takes is one person, bro. That's it.
No, God,
We're like, what?
That was nice, that was nice. Like a street concert, like a street concert. You don't get it cracking. Let's go, baby! Somebody go get here right now. Move on the way now. God damn. Yeah, I better watch out for y'all get hit. Oh, hell no. Yeah, es a homie.
Dile que muchos saludos.
Simón, Simón. A ver, dile, dile.
Muchos saludos, Jerry Twig.
Ahí está, ahí está.
Saludos a Jerry Twig.
Alright, that guy said he had traction control on, Chris. Hell no, I heard that shit knocking down. That shit beautiful right there. Damn, we was talking, my boy hit some shit I didn't get to see. Go Chris and record it. That's still far from me, but my brother over there, so you're gonna get the other view right now, my boy. You can see Danny in the red. He's like a full-on blood. What the fuck just happened? Damn, whose truck is this? Fuck.
Okay, stop recording as soon as he stopped. Fuck. ¿Quién es esta?
¿Ah?
Who's this?
Hey, watch out, watch out! Chris! Alright, so shit got crazy, so now we gotta leave because they pulled out a gun. And Danny, I seen your ass running, my
Hell
boy.
yeah, bro. He said, suck it. I said, fuck that.
Alright, well, I guess it's time to go home now.
Alright, Danny. We're gonna get a coffee, bro.
Yeah, bro, we're gonna get a coffee or what?
Yeah?
Alright. Alright, so that's it for this show. It's not even a show. That's it for this meet. It got crazy. They put out a gun and everybody started running, and we didn't get to record much right there, but it's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe.